Good day, YouTubers. Hope everybody's doing well today. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing video. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. This one, we're going to be unboxing another 15 bottles, and these are actually from the same 1970s digger slash collector that my last unboxing video was from. Only these ones here I purchased, and I purchased them for $1 a piece. So you tell me at the end of the video in the comments whether or not you think I got a good deal. I think I got a pretty good deal. $1 a piece seems quite reasonable. So, well, let's get started. And we'll start with this lovely big Sussex beverage bottle. This is a crown top, and it's blown in a mold with a tooled crown top lip. Sussex Beverages. It's a fairly local bottle, and they specialized in ginger ale. Yep, it's got a nice frosty appearance to it. There's the base. Alright, so like in the other unboxing videos, I'm just going to set these here and may need to move them around as we progress. Here's a blown in a mold crown top Sussex Beverage Company bottle. That's a fairly local beverage company, quite popular around this area. There's a good look at it in the natural light. Beauty. Next up, we got BAM. Celery compound. This is Paine's celery compound. Nice BIM bottle. I would say that's a tooled lip on that one. Nice square shaped bottle. Probably from the 1890s, early 1900s. Celery compound. Claimed to cure diseases of the nerves, kidneys, liver, stomach, and bowels, and acts as a blood purifier and tonic to the central system. That was Paine's celery compound claims. Alright, so there's that one. Nice bottle. What else we got here? Here's another big one. Ta-da! I'm sure everybody's seen these before and are familiar with them. The J&O Wyeth and Brothers, Philadelphia liquid malt extract. 1890s bottle, blown in a mold, tooled lip, and liquid malt extract used in home brewing and as a common ingredient in baked goods and often used as a caramel substitute. Nice bottle. I love these bottles. The Wyeth and Brothers malt extract bottle. I really like that double ring down around the base of the neck on these bottles. It really makes them unique. Next one, folks, is going to be this one here. And this one is the only machine-made one out of the bunch. And I believe it's going to be a linseed oil bottle. And this one actually has a sticker on it. And the collector had this one dated 1910. And that 15 refers to the price because he also sold them. So 1910 bottle for 15 bucks. And I got it for $1. There you go. What else we got here? The last of the big ones. This bad boy here. This is blown in a mold. Applied lip on this one. Check it out. We get a good look at it there. Yep. No idea what would have been in it, but it's a nice shaped bottle. Beauty. Nice big bottle. Nice big beautiful bottle.
It's because, well, they're not saying she's got it, they suspect it, she's got the symptoms. Oh,
yeah. Oh.
fucking no. Don't you shit your bastard pants.
Oh. Oh God, I've got to see if that's on. Chris,
fuck off.
Well, we're kicking her into high gear and we're moving right along here now, folks. I've had these bottles in this milk crate sitting under my kitchen table here for about 2 years now. Like I say, I've recently purchased another 1970s Bottle Diggers collection, and I got to get these seen to. Check this beauty here out. Some Minard's Liniment from Framingham, Massachusetts, USA. Manganese Minard's bottle. I've never personally dug up a manganese Minard's bottle, so this is a nice one to have here. What can we say about this one? Anything? Well, Minard's Liniment is the king of pain relief. That one became known as, from Hants County, Nova Scotia. Beautiful manganese glass Minard's Liniment bottle from Massachusetts. Next up, Sharp's Balsam. Another blown in a mold bottle, tooled lip. What is Sharp's Balsam? It is a cough medicine, I believe, is what that's going to be. Nice frosty colored bottle. Multi-paneled. Another dark aqua blue bottle, Sharp's Balsam. Nice looking bottle. And then we got a local med, a Waterson's Pharmacy, St. Stephen, New Brunswick. That one's going to be 1890s, turn of the century, early 1900s. Love my local med bottles. We got a local pharmacy bottle, Waterson's, St. Stephen, New Brunswick. Turn of the century bottle, maybe even 1890s. Oh, here's a good one, folks. Here's a good one. Bixby shoe polish. Alright, this is faintly embossed right on here. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see that. I can barely see it with the naked eye. But it's very faintly embossed, and it's got a patent date of March 6, 1883, it says on it. And check out that. I'll show some video of this out in the natural light as well. Embossed Bixby on the bottom. Bixby shoe polish. I believe this one's from, they date back to the 1880s. With a wacky job done on that one. Some base embossed Bixby on that. Hold her up, see. Nice color on that. Next up, Spanish gloss. You can guess what that is. That'll be a shoe polish from Boston, USA, CH Wood Company. Blown in a mold, tooled lip.
God.
Need fucking mask living with you.
What expecting?
Oh, fuck off, it's going through me fucking top.
Oh dear.
Let me out, you smelly bastard.
Shove that mirror in me.
Fucking shove you.
You got your key?
Fucking hell. That was bloody disgusting.
I've got to see if it's on camera. You got your key?
Alright, so we're 2/3 of the way through them now, folks. Let's check out this next one here. Hall's Catarrh Cure. Okay, what is catarrh? Well, it's a buildup of mucus in an airway or cavity of the body. Usually affects the back of the nose, throat, or the sinuses. And this is perhaps a quack cure. I believe this bottle's from the 1890s. And you can see it says cure on here. And it was somewhere in the early 1900s that legislation came through, and I believe they weren't allowed to use cure in the name of their products. And what else we got here? Here's another one of these Thomas Eclectric Oil bottles. Now, these are always a beautiful bottle. Embossed on all four sides. Okay, this was a pain relief remedy. And I believe they changed the name in 1906, so this is going to be before then, I do believe. Before 1906. Here's another nice bottle, kind of a light greenish color. Baird's Balsam of Horehound. Another blown in a mold bottle. I dug one of these up last year, actually. And this is from Woodstock, New Brunswick. And here's your H. Paxton Baird on this edge. Fairly a local bottle. And what is Horehound? Well, it's an herb in the mint family. And this was used for curing coughs and colds. And helping to cough up phlegm. Ha! Well, there's something that you might need to know. Here's this Baird's Balsam of Horehound. Real fake embossed. It's a little bit hard to see that one. Hold it up to the light, you can see a little better. It's edge embossed as well. Woodstock, New Brunswick. Fairly local bottle. H. Paxton Baird. Kind of a light greenish color. Here's a nice little bottle. Shilo's Consumption Cure. I like the shape of this bottle. Manganese glass. This one's from Toronto, Ontario. S.C. Wells and Company. Yep, another one that says Cure on it. The neat shaped manganese glass one here. Shilo's Consumption Cure. Edge embossed, Toronto, Ontario. And S.C. Wells and Company. And finally, folks, we're down to a Prussian Oil, A.J. Cox and Sons, Halifax, Nova Scotia. This says 450 on the base. Yep. Prussian Oil. I'm not sure what Prussian Oil is. Anybody knows, feel free to enlighten me in the comments. So that's going to be it, folks, for this one. Another 15 bottles. Viewed and reviewed. Okay, so have a good day, everyone. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you all in the next one. Over and out. Thanks for watching.